The width of the grommet bar is 1.5 inches from the center back. Connect the points with a straight line. The eyelet will be inserted in between that space. Cut out the grommet bar piece. While transferring to the fabric, place 0.5 inch seam allowance around the paper. Here is the grommet fabric cut out. It is advisable to place a notch at the top and on the side that will be connected to the main bodice for easy identification. Also iron interfacing on your fabric. Flip the piece to the wrong side. Move inward 0.75 inch from the center back and place a regling boning measuring 0.3 inches width. Sew on the smoother edge of the regling boning. Place another regling boning very close to the first one sewn. The regling boning has two smooth ends, sew on both sides. Come in with the grommet bar piece serving as a lining. Place right side on right side. Sew the top area by 0.5 inch and also sew the center back by 0.5 inch. Turn inside out. A channel will be created for a plastic boning to be inserted. Measure the width of that channel with the plastic boning as shown. Ensure your lines are straight while you sew. Next, sew another straight line after the double regling boning sewn. From this new line, create another plastic boning channel and sew a straight line. The wrong side of the grommet bar is the one with multiple seam lines. Attaching the grommet bar to the main fabric, come down by 0.5 inch, place right side on right side and sew a straight line of 0.5 inch. Proceed to install the eyelets. The tools you'll be needing is a rivet machine, a soldering iron, the grommet dies. This will be screwed into the rivet machine. And finally, you'll be needing your grommets or eyelets. Plug in your soldering iron to get it hot. Bore a hole on the grommet bar as shown, sizable enough to contain the eyelets. Now place it on the bottom dice. Get the eyelet cover and cover that area. With the lever of the rivet machine, hit it down to secure it in place. Give a 1 inch space between each grommet and repeat the same process of installing all eyelets. When you are done with one side, match up the center back. Use a pencil or a fabric marker to indicate the point where you would place the grommet on the other side. In the final analysis, the grommet bar should match up. We go ahead to attach the modesty panel. Zip the dress and measure the width of the modesty panel. The width here is 6 inches. The modesty panel should be 7 inches after sewing. Sew around the area, leaving a space to turn out and top stitch. Next, place the grommet bar over the modesty panel as shown. You have to top stitch right on the main center back of the blouse. And here you have it, the grommet bar is ready. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye.